Hey Harsh, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda's Internet Department. Thank you for taking my call earlier this morning. I know we've already set some time up for you Saturday morning around 10:30 to come in. Check out the new Accord. I do have one of those sitting right next to me. Picked a great car, man. This is North American Car of the Year. You can see they added tons of new standard features. This is the LX model. You're gonna get full-on LED headlights here in the front. Full set of Honda Sensing Suite of driver assist features are gonna be standard as well. As your multi-angle backup cameras, Bluetooth, bigger cab space, better, stronger engine, turbocharged. I mean, it rides like a dream. We can't wait to show it to you. Again, I'm gonna be looking out for you Saturday morning. If we need to push that time around, please let me know direct at 205-504-2358. And I can make you this promise: when you make it into Tameron Honda, you're gonna love the way you're treated.